Hello guys, my clue for today is on how to label a circle using regions, a continuation of how to label a circle part 1. It's important to know that regions are spaces and these spaces are all contained in the circle. You've already heard or know about some of these regions like the sector, the semicircle and the segment. So now let's get down to the illustration board to see how these are all contained in a circle. Now consider this little dot here as the center of my circle just for illustration purposes. From this dot here to any part of the circle is called a radius. So this is a straight line from the dot to any part of the circle. Now consider the dot again, because consider another straight line from this dot to another part of the circle. This is another radius. And both of them are called a radii. Now the space between these two radii and the circumference is going to be called a sector. So we define a sector as the region between two radii and the circumference. Now let's go on to segment. Consider a chord that touches 2 points on the circumference. So consider this chord here, from here to here. We call this a segment. Now, a segment is the region between a chord and the circumference. Remember, this chord doesn't have to pass through the center. It shouldn't pass through the center, otherwise to become a diameter. It's just a straight line, a simple chord. Now the region between this chord and the circumference is called a segment. Now the next one is going to be the semicircle. Now consider two dots on two sides of the circumference. Now the straight line passing through the two dots, passing through the center to connect to the two dots is called a diameter. This is also the longest line in a circle, and it's also a line of symmetry in the circle. So the space or the region between the diameter and the circumference is called a semicircle. So the semicircle is the region between the diameter and the circumference. So now let me go over these three things, regions again. The sector is a space between two radii and the circumference. The segment is a region or a space between a chord and the circumference. The semicircle is a space between the diameter and the circumference. Now this is my clue for today. Please like, share my video. Comment on any other math tips or clue you want me to work on. Until next time, thank you.